Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Tom and today I'm going to show you why I make green tomato chutney and why I think you should too. The main reason for this recipe is to preserve and to reduce waste. If you grow a lot of tomatoes, you'll know that at the end of the season, when autumn and winter is starting to creep in, you'll end up with lots of green tomatoes. Now the best way is to preserve them and make them into a chutney. That way you can be in your summer crop right through the winter and maybe even into next summer. It's an easy recipe. It's about as simple as a chutney can get. You take all ingredients, you chop them up, you put them in a pan, cook them for 2 to 3 hours and it's done. The final reason is that it just tastes unreal. So here's the ingredients you're going to need. Green tomatoes, red onions, garlic, jalapenos, paprika, salt, black pepper, demerara sugar, white wine vinegar. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. That's how I make my green tomato chutney. And if you've got lots of green tomatoes left over, I think you should probably try making it too. Now if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Please do give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I release lots of new recipe videos and you don't want to miss a single one. Stay mint and I'll see you in the next video.